Hi besties, I'm so delighted to welcome you back to African Fashion Reloaded on our YouTube channel at These Are House of Fashion, and today I'm excited to share with you a stunning two-piece set top and trouser that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you are looking for a stylish outfit for work or a night out, or you're just running an errand, this set has got you covered. Made from high-quality materials and featuring vibrant colors and bold prints, this two-piece set is both comfortable and fashionable. The flowing top and matching trousers are designed to make you look and feel confident and chic. In this video, I'll be trying on the set, sharing my thoughts on this quality and fit, and showing you how to style it in different ways. So let's get started. If you are just joining for the first time, you are at the right place to be. Kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we bring new video, you'll be the first to get the update. And also on this YouTube channel, we train on how to cut and sew different and lovely two-piece sets. You can scroll through our YouTube channel to see some of the tutorials that we've done on how to cut and sew. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, who always tune in to watch beautiful and amazing style on our channel, I really want to thank you all. So enjoy all these beautiful and lovely collections today, and make sure you give this collection a thumbs up. Also share this video as well. Thank you all for stopping by to watch beautiful and amazing collections that will bring to your screen today. Beautiful African ladies, don't forget to subscribe and join our community of style and confident women. In our next episode, I'll be bringing you one lovely and beautiful outfit that you love to try. So if you are joining for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop new video, you'll be the first to get the updates. And for those that have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I really want to thank you all. Have a beautiful and lovely time. Bye for now.